Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today we're going to be making something real good for you guys. It's going to be called cheesy smoked sausage, potatoes with vegetables, casserole. That's what it's going to be. Here's my vegetable, my mixed vegetable. I got some onions. I got like a whole onion cut up in here. I have 1 clove of garlic chopped finely up in here. I have 1 bell pepper. There's the red one, the green one, and the yellow one. It's 1 of each. And here's my potatoes. These are the small potatoes right here. I took some olive oil, like 2 tablespoons, and submerged that in there. Toss them around. Okay, we're gonna have a cup of Italian cheese, and this right here, if I can move it around for you guys can see it, this right here is Mrs. Dash Original. I'll show you that original blend. So that's what that is. All right, followed by some crushed peppers. All right, then I have some black pepper right here. Excuse me, I was burping. I'm sorry. Right here, this is a mixture. It's some thyme. We have thyme in there. We have some oregano in there, and we have some dill in there mixed up together. And if you can smell that, oh my God, try it. You guys gotta make this recipe. Okay. And I have some grated Parmesan Romano cheese right here. We're gonna sprinkle on top after we put the cup of cheese on there. Alright, here's my smoked sausage. I use a pack and a half of smoked sausage. I'll show you that Kroger brand smoked sausage. Alright, so that's what I'm using. And that's a pack and a half. Alright, so stay tuned in, and I'm going to go ahead and take this over there and saute it up a little bit. I don't want it too sauteed because remember we're making a casserole. We're going to be putting this in the oven with these potatoes. Alright, so stay tuned in. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So what we're going to do here is take a little oil. Now you could have mixed it in with your vegetables if you want to. I'm just going to take about a teaspoon of oil. This olive oil, extra virgin. I don't know if you can see that or not. Need to invest in a better camera. So that's what this is. I'm gonna take that around in the pan. Alright, we'll go in with our vegetables. Take our vegetables. Hear that sizzle? That's what's up. Alright, that's our vegetable. Don't worry about all the other stuff that's in here, because it's going to get cooked. Take this. And you throw a little bit more oil in it. I don't really have to, but I'm going to. So let's see, we're going to go with the tablespoon then, just to make it even it out. Alright? And the only reason I put some more oil in it is because I'm going to put some seasoning with it. Alright, I'm going to take a little salt, not much. So I would say 1/4 of a teaspoon. Gotta get it come out right. Alright, that should be it. Take a little of that black pepper. That's a teaspoon. That's how I'm using, so I'm gonna take a pinch of my teaspoon. See? That's it. All we're doing here is releasing some of the juices from these vegetables so it can season up the skillet. So we're going to put our meat in here and fry that. Alright, and we're going to put the rest of this, get them all together and put it in a casserole dish. Alright. So you want a little bite to these vegetables. You don't want them to be soggy. Alright. Turn that back up, so I want them to cook a little bit faster. Just release some of the juice. See, they look like they're trying to get soft, brightening up a little bit more. The onion trying to get translucent a little bit. So now this would be the time to take it out. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I took that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put these smoked sausages in there. We're gonna let them bad boys cook up, get brown. So it's a long, tedious process for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up, and I'll show you in the somewhere in the middle how they look. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, that's where we at with this. I think that's done enough for me. So we're just going to go ahead, take this off, and put it with our other mixture. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, gonna slide these bad boys off. Throw them up in there. You don't need no oil, so don't scrape the oil out of there and all that stuff. So remember, your potatoes got some oil to it. Okay. Trust me when I tell you, when you do it like this, you're just sweating. You're not cooking it all the way. You're sweating this vegetable, so you're getting the flavors ready for your potatoes and stuff, okay? So you want to cook all the flavor out of it. Alright. So I'm going to scoot this to the side for now. Now potatoes. See if you guys can see that. Here's the potatoes. So we have some seasoning right here. This is the Mrs. Dash. We're going to put some of that in there. Okay. Here's the pepper, crushed peppers. Put some of that in there. Black pepper. Our dill. And a Romano. Not Romano, dill and what's that? What else is in there? Dill, oregano, and thyme. See that? See that? Alright. We ain't gonna put no pepper, no salt and all that mess on there, because the sausage and stuff got a lot of that stuff in it. Put a little bit more of the dill and stuff in there. Get it coated good. Alright. Pick this up some more. Here's what we're going to do. Take this back over here. right here. You see that? I'm gonna take our potatoes. Now, you know what? I'm gonna even do one even better for you guys. We're gonna take these potatoes. What I could have did, I could have took these and put them in the microwave, but I ain't gonna cheat. I'll just go ahead and put them in there. Like so. Alright. All we gonna do. I'm about to cheat. I was like, nah, I better not cheat. They ain't gonna like it when a cheat dog. So we won't cheat on you. Now, my advice to you, if you have some foil, take you some foil and wrap this up, put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and you should be good. Sprinkle your cheese on. So total cooking time, I would say about an hour. Because we got to still put that cheese on it, okay? Alright. So we're going to turn these around. Bad boys right there. And we'll put a little bit more seasoning on this bad boy. Alright. Mrs. Dash again. So remember what I told you, if you go up high with it, spread evenly. See that? Take it up high. Alright, that's enough of this stuff. Red bell peppers. I said red bell pepper, crushed peppers. These words, boy, I swear for the living. Alright, that's enough of that. Got some black pepper. Not too much, just a pinch of this. But we got them crushed peppers. Alright. Our dill, we're going to use the rest of this. Alright. That smells delicious. Alright, we're going to pop these bad boys in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and take this out the oven. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and put our cheese and stuff on there. Can you guys see that? Alright. See if I can scooch it down a little bit more. About right there. For 45 minutes. Go ahead and throw the cheese on there. Now with this cheese, you just turn your oven off and let it finish melting and getting nice and gooey and stuff like that. Okay? Yep, look at the cup. So, Parmesan Romano. Sprinkle some of that on there. This is why I didn't want to put salt on it, because it got a little salty, not salty taste to it, but it has some salt. You're going to put this bad boy back in the oven and let it sit in there for about 15 minutes, and we'll take it out and see how it looks. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Cheesy smoked sausage and potatoes casserole with bell peppers. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to this channel. Dogg make restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking.